Welcome to motoDNA. Today we're talking about a new way of learning motorcycle skills. I'm McVeigh. I've been riding safely on the road and racing on track for 35 years. After working as a MotoGP engineer, I founded the Riders Academy in Australia. Skill is a huge part of riding a motorcycle. But how do you know what your skill level is and where do you go to learn? motoDNA developed a set of training drills that replicate the most common real-world accidents, but in a controlled environment. Plus it's data-driven, so you can measure your skill level compared to thousands of other riders. It's called Street Skills 101 and comprises of the following drills. The first one is the figure 8. It can tell a lot about a rider and it's trickier than it looks. The data shows how you've throttled, brake and steer, where and when you look, and how you use your body. The next drill is the emergency stop. Most bikes can slow down at over 1 G on the brakes, but data shows only 10% of riders can achieve this level. What's your score? The third drill is avoidance in a straight line, and this tests your ability to swerve safely and avoid a hazard and come to a stop. The fourth drill is avoidance in a corner. Many riders are killed in head-on crashes which can be avoided. It's a tricky maneuver, plus there's a big difference between left and right corners. Do you know why? The fifth drill is balance, slow speed control. It's essential for safe line filtering and slow speed maneuvers. The sixth drill is a U-turn. Practice in a controlled environment is essential to master this skill. The final drill is takeoff. Sounds simple, but still important for safe riding. All this and more on a gamified and video-rich online community platform. Sign up at motodna.com to learn more.